Welcome back to Organized Mom. You asked for more peel and stick ideas to help organize your home, and these are all renter friendly. I've got amazing tricks. First is my favorite Dollar Tree peel and stick wallpaper. These are Main Street wallpapers. They have so many new designs this year, and they're bringing them back. So if these have not hit your store yet, be sure to check back. They have these removable tile decals, which are great. What I love about Dollar Tree wall decals is that they're easy to cut down just with a regular pair of scissors. Amazon has amazing peel and stick tiles. You can do an entire wall for under $60. I love this beautiful blue. These cut easily with an X-Acto knife. This is really affordable, and I love that something like this, that's normally so expensive, you can do on a budget. And this next trick you cannot miss out, because it's less than $10. This is waterproof PVC wood grain border wall. You can get this on Amazon for about $7.50. With this, you can create an edging around a mirror to give it a finished look. They come in all different finishes, from gray to dark ebony finishes. I want to talk to you about pull-out drawers. These can stick down with nano dots, and some of them come with adhesive on the back. These are easily removable. I highly recommend this product. When it comes to organizing and storage, have you heard of Tote Scan? You can find these for less than $15 on Amazon. These are barcodes that you can download a corresponding app, so that way you can put these right on all your bins and containers. That way you know what's inside of them, especially if you're putting something in storage. This brand has no subscription fees or hidden costs. This is a really great way to stay organized. It's actually simple. This is great when you need to find an item, especially if you're forgetful. When it comes to labels, I love my Cricut machine and being able to cut custom labels, but if you don't have a Cricut, Amazon has tons of beautiful labels that you can buy in bulk, and you can get them for less than $10. This is so beautiful for your home organization, and definitely one of my peel and stick favorites. Giving this video a thumbs up lets me know that you enjoyed it. I would love to know what spots of your home you're working on. My friend, follow your heart.